Hello students, welcome to SILICA UCEED video solution. Today we are looking to UCEED 2023 question number 5, which is talking about the NAT question, 4 marks question. So count the number of human figures in the picture. So we have one image and we have to find the number of human figures from the image. So firstly we have to choose one direction. Either we can count from upwards to downward direction or else from downwards to upwards. So firstly we have to choose one direction. So we'll start it from the upwards to downward direction from the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 human figures are on the first floor while we are moving from upwards to downwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 15 are on ground floor. So we can see 12 on first floor and 15 on ground floor. So there are total 27 human figures which we can find in the picture. So our correct answer is 27 number of human figures in the picture. Thank you.